Baked goods on my doorstep.
Awkward?
Awkward. It'll just be another minute.
Misplaced Dr. Eggman. Did you and he perchance battle yesterday?
Oh, we battled all right. I remember like it was yesterday.
It was yesterday.
What was? I've got you now.
Oh no, I guess we have no other choice but to give up.
Hey, that's not how it...
I'll handle this. Now you've made me mad.
What a dreamboat!
I want to be just like you when I grow up.
Knuckles, you've been elected governor!
All in a day's work.
Knuckles, is there something you want to tell us?
No.
Knuckles?
Okay. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. We've got to pull my tooth.
Let me try reasoning with him. Knuckles, the dentist wants to help you. Good oral hygiene requires...
Hey, problem solved. What am I supposed to do again? Well, now, I'm just a simple country lawyer. Not as sharp as Mr. Barker here. I don't know how to do that fancy lawyering. Heck, I don't know how to do simple things like putting on mittens. I don't even know which end of the toothbrush goes in your nose. Why, I'm dumb as a rock, just like you good folks. The defense calls Knuckles. Oh, you're not gonna trap me with your lawyer tricks. I know how this works. I've seen hospital shows on the radio where they sometimes have lawyers who trap people. Wait, what was the question again? Oh, tell me, Mr. Knuckles, is it? Is Sonic capable of doing this kind of damage to Dr. Eggman? Are you kidding? No way! He's scrawny, weak, and pathetic. I always have to bail him out of jams. He's an embarrassment. What a loser. And quite frankly, it sickens me to look at him. So, could Sonic hurt Eggman like this? Well, answer the question. No. Sonic is way too lame to do that kind of damage. There, I said it.
Hey, I'm totally capable of wailing on eggs Florentine for breakfast. I call them wailed on eggs.
Oh, for the love of all that's holy, that seed was worse than mine.
I would rest my case, but I'm hoping there's another fish sandwich in it.
So, has the jury reached a verdict?
Actually, we need to deliberate first.
Oh, yes, of course, that would be the impartial way to do it. Very well, then. The jury shall go to the deliberation room while the rest of us have a groovy, hippie-themed dance party.
World record wheelbarrow race test run. Ready, Nux?
Oh, yeah. I don't foresee any problem trying to do with my hands what the world's fastest runner does with his feet.
And go!
Faster? You got it! Hot and hot, hot, hot. We're in the home stretch. Just gotta get through the valley of broken glass. Huh? Well, paper cut. What's our time, Tails? Tails?
What? Oh, I forgot to hit stop. Can you do it again?
Oh.
Knuckles, are my grilled pheasants ready?
Not now, Amy. I'm busy.
Oh, please don't cut me, Knuckles.
Today turned out a lot different than I expected.
I can take care of myself.
just doesn't taste the same without Amy.
Knuckles, you're eating a napkin.
Yeah, I knew that. Oh, my neck itches. Seriously? A little higher. A little higher. Oh, too high. Yeah, right there. Ow, my back. Oops, sorry. I better take this. Hello?
Fun on our show, but I'd like to get serious for a moment while we honor a real hero.
Oh, bless that sandwich. Oh, sure. You leave a dude hanging, but you call me the villain.
Eggman makes a good point.
Fine.
Needs to figure out how long it would take me to figure out the right combination.
Oh, centuries, huh?
Now I get it. Only Knuckles did what the riddle actually suggested. Try the lazy way.
Oh, now I get it. Hero is another word for sandwich. That's not poisonous gas.
A circle is round. It has no sides.
Well, that clearly didn't work. Anyone else got an idea?
A circle has two sides, inside and outside.
That is correct.
Did I solve it?